Hello students, in this video I am discussing about boundary layer thickness or a nominal boundary layer thickness. Okay, in previous video we discussed about boundary layer theory. Okay, now we move on to boundary layer thickness. Okay, here there are three types of boundary layer thicknesses. First one is displacement thickness, second one is momentum thickness, and third one is energy thickness. Okay, so boundary layer thickness is a distance from the boundary in y direction to a point where the velocity is 99% of stream velocity. Okay, so first we move on to displacement thickness. Okay, so as you can see from this velocity profile, first one is for ideal case and second one is for real case. Okay, so first we have to find here m, right? So m for a real. Okay, by this m dot is equals to p into av, right? So m is equals to p as it is, area is dy into 1, and v is a velocity, here is u infinity, put u infinity, so m real is equals to rho into u infinity into dy, right? So coming to real case, sorry, this is a real case, not sorry, this is the ideal case, make a correction. Okay, next we move on to a real case. M is equals to p into av, that is m is equals to p into area is dy into 1, and v is u. Okay, u here, so m real becomes p into u into dy. Okay, this is for real, and first one is for ideal. Okay, so reduction in a mass flow rate becomes m ideal minus m real. So m ideal is p into u infinity minus p into u infinity into dy minus p into u into dy. So p taking common into u infinity minus u into dy. Okay, so we want a total reduction in mass flow rate. So integrating the above equation, that is integration from 0 to delta into p into u infinity minus u into dy. Okay, so boundary is formed due to a viscosity because of a no slip condition. M dot is equals to p into delta star into 1 into u infinity. Okay, so m dot is equals to p into u infinity into delta star. Okay, this is for no slip condition, and then p into u infinity into delta star is equals to equating that equation into this no slip condition equation. So p into u infinity into delta star is equals to integration of 0 to infinity p into u infinity minus u into dy. So we want delta star here, that is delta star is equals to integration of 0 to infinity into u infinity minus u divided by u infinity into dy. So delta star becomes integration of 0 to delta star is equals to integration from 0 to infinity into 1 minus u by u infinity into dy. Okay, this is equation for delta star. Okay, this is a distance, it is a distance by which the solid boundary should be displaced in order to compensate for the reduction of the mass flow rate due to a boundary layer growth. Okay, next we move on to momentum thickness, that is theta. It is a distance by which the boundary layer displaced in order to compensate for a reduction of momentum due to a boundary layer growth. Okay, so it is given by q theta is equals to integration of 0 to delta to u by u infinity into 1 minus u by u infinity the square into dy. Okay, and last we move on to energy thickness. It is a distance by which the boundary layer be displaced in order to compensate for the reduction in kinetic energy due to a boundary layer growth. Okay, so delta E is equals to integration of 0 to delta u by u infinity into 1 minus u square divided by u infinity the square into dy. Okay, so here boundary conditions. Okay, as you can see from this velocity profile, at y is equals to 0, u becomes 0, right? At y equal to delta, u becomes u infinity, and at y equal to delta, du by dy is equals to 0, and at x equals to 0, delta is equals to 0. Okay, this is about the boundary condition and the boundary layer thicknesses. Okay, thank you.